high school graduate, walang trabaho or ready for a career change? Pwes kung willing kayong mag-training, join na sa PGMA Training for Work Scholarship Program ng TESDA. Handog ito ng ating working president sa mga kabataan at manggagawang Pilipino. To know more, mag-inquire lamang sa TESDA NCR office sa telephone numbers 810-6354 o 811-3499. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Julina Magdangal na makakasama ninyo sa loob ng kalahating oras dito sa The Working President. Hatid namin ang iba't ibang programa ng pamahalaan sa pamumuno ni Pangulong Gloria Macapagal Arroyo para sa kaalaman at asenso ng bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Kaya't walang lipatan ng channel at magsisimula na ang programa para lamang sa bayan matapos lamang ng ilang paalala. Patuloy po kayong sumusubaybay dito sa The Working President. Sinimulan na ni Pangulong Arroyo ang taong 2009 sa pagbisita sa hilagang bahagi ng Mindanao. Doon ay ginanap din ang kanyang kauna-unahang cabinet meeting para sa taong ito. Alamin natin ang iba pang pinagkaabalahan ng ating working president sa Northern Mindanao dito sa Focus.
Sa pagpasok ng taong 2009, sinimula ni Pangulong Gloria Macapagal Arroyo ang pakipagpulong sa mga miyembro ng kanyang gabinete sa kanyang childhood home sa Iligan City. Dito'y inilahad niya ang mga bagong panuntunan ng mga programang higit na tututukan sa taong ito.
This is the year that the overwhelming majority of our people have greeted with hope in their hearts. 92% they say. Despite the perils of a global economy in crisis and the importunings of the usual critics and fault finders. We who are privileged to lead our country, especially through times of global crisis like this, are blessed by the spiritual strength of our millions of countrymen for whom and to whom we are accountable. Let us not squander this blessing. Let us put this blessing to good account and multiply it into the daily good works of our office, the uncounted fruits of our leadership that our people have a right to demand from us. The start of 2009 should also mark the renewal of sustained, intense, and vigorous efforts to ensure the fulfillment of the government's Mindanao agenda. An agenda of two main planks and anchored on two P's. Peace talks for all, and projects for peace. First, in peace talks for all, we should put in place lasting peace, stilling the guns of war, drawing from the biblical theme of turning swords into plowshares. This shall be an all-inclusive effort. All Mindanao stakeholders are welcome to join in the peace process. LGUs, NGOs, religious groups, separatists, and federalists. Those in the negotiating table shall bring one mindset, a passion for peace. The second plank is projects for peace, which means a surge in government investments in Mindanao and the accelerated pace of implementation for its development programs. The projects for peace, for example, shall create agribusiness processing zones that shall fully exploit the awesome asset of Mindanao. It's being typhoon-free. The worth of this asset is incalculable. We will undertake a crash program against illiteracy and poverty in the autonomous region of Muslim Mindanao and the other provinces of Mindanao that belong to the 10 poorest. Our objective is to realize the century-old quest for lasting peace. From the wreckage of war, we will fashion implements for progress and lasting peace.
Matapos ang kanyang cabinet meeting, ay agad niyang pinuntahan ang mga kababayan nating napinsala ng baha. Kinamusta sila ng Pangulo at personal na nag-abot ng tulong. 2 evacuation camps din sa Cagayan de Oro City ang kanyang binisita kasama ang mga lokal na opisyal dito. Pinangunahan din ni Pangulo Arroyo ang inaugurasyon ng bagong gusali ng National Transmission Corporation o Transco sa Iligan City. Ang bagong annex building ng Mindanao Operations and Maintenance Office ng Transco ay may audiovisual room na magsisilbi ding main conference, document center, infirmary at security section. Pinagkaguluhan naman si Pangulo Arroyo sa kanyang pagdating sa Mindanao Polytechnic State College sa Cagayan de Oro City. Formal na kasing nilagdaan ng Pangulo ang batas na maglilipat sa kategorya ng paaralan mula State College bilang State University. Mula MPSC, tatawagin na itong Mindanao University of Science and Technology. Ang Republic Act 9519 ay panukalang batas ni Senator Aquilino Pimentel at Congressman Rufus Rodriguez, pawang mga mambabatas na Cagayanon.
Grabe talaga ang ating working president. Mantakin nyo na 37,000 jobs para sa mga Pinoys ang kailangan ng Qatar. Resulta ito ng meeting ni Pangulong Arroyo with the Qatar employers last December 2008. Ang daming trabaho nun. Don't switch this channel at magbabalik agad ang The Working President.